Hey guys, it's Jeremy with Veterans Ham Shack, KF4CHW. Sorry I haven't been around too much, but I've had some stuff going on with the house here. Now you had heard me mention in some of the videos about the tragedy that my pool was. So I ended up having to have a new deck built. The other one had rotted out. It was probably a good 10 or 12 years old. Also had my liner replaced. However, the guys that came and did it ended up putting a hole in the bottom there. You can kind of see it right at the shoulder there, my shadow. It's like a white spot there. I'll put some pictures on there too, but I'm not exactly sure they were even going to tell me what had happened. I happened to notice that patch and I was like, hey, what's going on? You know, I'd actually messaged him that next morning, and he was honest. You know, he said that one of his workers had dropped one of the this metal piece here, you know, that goes along the edge there, the railings, I guess, blew into the pool and must have impaled a hole in the bottom of it. So I'd already put about 2 feet of water in the thing, and now I'm having to pump that out because they're coming back tomorrow. They had to order a new liner, and that took about a week, so they're coming tomorrow to put it back in. But anyway, this is the new deck here. I gotta get some new patio furniture for it and whatnot, but this is the biggest thing here, is that somebody's driving by on a golf cart there. But this is the biggest thing. It's a little aggravating, you know. Now it's put me a week behind on even getting to use the thing. So anyway, pretty happy with the outcome of the deck, though. I will put some screenshots in there to kind of show what it looked like before. But yeah, happy with it. Eventually I'll paint it the same color as my upper deck here, but I guess you gotta let it dry out about 6 months or so before you paint it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so here we are again about a week later or so. Finally got the pool up and running. Kind of hard to tell here, but you can see the liner is actually a different pattern, which was fine. Like I said, the installers had put a hole in the bottom of the other one, and didn't exactly tell me about it, and I found it. So, you know, they did come out and replace it, and I guess they ordered the wrong pattern on the liner. So anyway, I was okay with it. I didn't want to have to wait another week for them to find or order another one and, you know, get it and come back and install it. So anyway, I think it looks pretty good now. The old liner I had was probably about 10 years old. It was bleached out. Eventually started leaking last year, so knew I was going to have to do something. So ended up having one of the beaded liners put in. The other one I had was one of the overlaps for the above ground pools. And so if and when this liner needs replaced again, then I think it would be pretty simple. I watched the guys do it. It's actually just got like a, I don't know, I guess like a hook kind of thing around the top of it that fits into a receiver that they put on. You don't even have to take off those top white rails anymore. So here's the new deck. Looking for some patio furniture now. And you can finally got my antenna back up. You can kind of see over there on the birdhouse. I don't know if I can zoom in on that on this or not. I don't know. Anyway, what had happened is whenever I had packed off my old patio furniture set, I kind of put the table up over top of my head and carried it up to my truck to take to the dump, and I accidentally snagged the wire that's going over for my antenna. Luckily it didn't do anything to the antenna, it just kind of pulled it down. So I don't know if you can see that wire or not, but right there it is. I've shown this a few times on my channel. So anyway, I'll be getting back into the ham radio stuff here shortly, but that's basically the reason why I haven't been filming too much is because I had to have my old deck tore down, new one built. Had a lot of issues getting this pool, you know, straightened out. So anyway, thanks again, guys. Appreciate you watching the channel. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.